Hello. Namaste. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin your glow journey with natural skincare. Tired of dull or dry skin? Try these 3 easy homemade body scrubs. 100% natural, beginner-friendly and budget-friendly. Coffee scrub for glowing skin. 2 tablespoon coffee powder. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1 tablespoon sugar. Scrub in circles for 5 mins. Rinse with warm water. Sugar and honey scrub for soft skin. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1 tablespoon honey. Few drops of olive oil. Use on elbows, knees and dry areas. Wash off and pat dry. Besan Scrub for tan removal. 2 tablespoon gram flour. Besan. 1 tablespoon curd or milk. A pinch of turmeric. Apply. Scrub gently. Rinse after 2 to 3 minutes. Use twice a week for best results. Visible glow. Smooth, soft skin, tan removal. No chemicals, only natural. Your skin deserves gentle care. Start your skincare journey with me. Comment your favorite scrub below. Subscribe my channel at Dusky Vlog.